Good morning students, I am Harpreet Kaur from Akal Academy Dialpura Mirja. Here I would like to draw some figures. You can identify their names. These all are closed figures. You all have learned about these figures in your previous classes. I hope you all can name these. Like it is a triangle, circle, square and rectangle. Here I would like to discuss about triangle. So our today's topic is triangle. I have written here definition of triangle. What is it? It is a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is called triangle. Here are three lines A, B, B, C and C, A. These are intersecting lines. It is a closed figure. Such type of figures which are formed by three intersecting lines are called triangles. Here there are three main factors about the triangle: sides, angles and vertices. I already told you about sides. AB, this is a side of triangle, first side. BC and CA. These are the sides of triangle. Next, the second perimeter of triangle is angles. It is A angle, or we can say CAB. Next is B angle. We can say BABC, and third one is C angle. We can say BCA, or we can represent it in this way. Next is vertices. It has three vertices named as A, B, C, and we can represent symbolically triangle is by making short triangle, and we can write their vertices. Triangle ABC. Types of triangle. There are two ways to define triangle: by angles and by sides. Again, if we talk about the types of triangle according to angles, there are three types: acute angled triangle, a triangle which have angles less than 90 degree. The interior angles, suppose A angle, B, C, all angles are 180 degree and each angle is less than 90 degree. So that's why it is called acute angled triangle. Second category is right angle triangle. Any of one angle is 90 degree, then triangle is called right angle triangle. Third is obtuse angle. Any of one angle is more than 90 degree, then that type of triangle is called obtuse angle. Now if we talk about by sides, again there are the three types of triangles according to their sides. Equilateral triangle means the length of each side is same, equal. Here I have drawn a triangle having each side length is 3 cm. So it is called equilateral triangle. Second is isosceles triangle, means any of two sides length is same, then that type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. Suppose this one side is 6 cm and this is also a 6 cm. We can name it A, B, C. Here are the two sides AB and AC. These are equal. It is 6 cm and BC is different. So the two sides of this triangle are equal. That's why it is called isosceles triangle. Third one is secant triangle. It means it has each sides having different length. So these are the types of triangle according to angles and by sides. Students, suppose you have two copies of your photographs, then what we can say these are identical with each other. And second example, if you have 5 rupee coin, two 5 rupee coin, and you can place these coins one over each other, then you can again say that these are identical with each other. Na? So we call such type of figures in maths congruent. Here we are talking about congruence of triangles. Now you can tell me, can we say these two figures have same shape? No, these are different shape. It is triangle and it is rectangle. These are not same. For the congruency, we have two basic points. Same size will be there and same shape will be there. It has different shapes, so we can't say it is a congruent. But if we have two triangles like this, these have the same shape and we can check its size. If we place one triangle over other, then we can't find a second triangle. So it means these both are in same size and these both are triangles. It means both are same shape. So such type of figures are called congruent figures. Now the second example, both are triangles. Both are triangles, but their size is different. So that's why we can't say these are congruent triangles. For the congruency, I am going to write here, draw here two triangles. Triangle A, B, C. Suppose its length is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. The another triangle is P, Q, R. Its length is 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. So we can draw such type of triangles in this way. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So these both triangles are congruent. To write it, we have shortcut way. It is A, B, C, P, Q, R. We are writing for equal to. This is the symbol of equal to. Similarly, the symbol for congruent is this one. Two equal sign and one curved sign. This is the symbol of congruency. These two triangles are congruent, means their sides, corresponding sides are same. Like AB is same to the PQ and BC is similar to same size is QR and AC is equal to PR. So that's why these triangles are congruent with each other.